the leader. If I have something I'm trying to convey, it's not the receiver's responsibility to get and to understand it. It's my responsibility to make sure that I'm delivering the message in a way that they can understand. That's accountability, that's responsibility, and that's leadership. So when I talk about that, understand the power of your leadership style. We all have leadership styles, and it's not good or bad, it's just how we're wired. So we're gonna really understand what your leadership style is. So we all have it in this room. Learn how to lead people by knowing how to read people. So we're gonna teach you some things where we're gonna take all the guesswork out of communicating and connecting with people, and how to become a person of influence by becoming a key connector, which I'll explain. The first component of effective leadership is you have to understand that leadership is an inside job. Leadership is not how other people are managing themselves around you, whether they're compliant or non-compliant. Leadership first begins with the leader understanding that they have to have the courage of introspection, to look inside themselves and to analyze themselves. And sometimes they maybe aren't gonna like what they see, but that's where courage comes in. The hardest thing you'll ever have to do is to look at yourself and to critique yourself, or to have someone else critique you. I use a lot of 360 leadership surveys, and I really try to pinpoint where people have challenges in areas of leadership. And again, for those of you who don't have a leadership title per se, put this into the realm of your life, because you're leading your life first of all. So, when I work with people, if they aren't willing to look introspectively, if they come to me and say, hey, I'm having some difficulties with my staff, really, what's going on? And everything's about external things, people around them, and they never look at themselves, then I wonder